Skip the takeout tonight and make this easy Kani salad at home. The best part is you can make it spicy or not. Let's get started. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making the best no-cook salad, Kani Salad. I get this a lot at our local sushi restaurant, and it's super simple to make at home and so much less expensive. To make your salad, all you're going to need are these imitation crab sticks. They come in a package like this. You'll need the whole package for this salad. You'll also need some sliced mango, some matchstick cut carrots, some very thinly sliced cucumbers, soy sauce, lemon, some black sesame seeds for garnish, Kewpie mayonnaise, and some Sriracha. To make your salad, we're gonna first make our dressing, and for that, you're going to need some of this mayonnaise. This is the best. It has rice vinegar in it, and it's made with all egg yolks. If you buy a bottle of this, you're going to be putting it on everything. We're also gonna add some Sriracha, and we like things spicy here, so if you do not, you can totally leave that out. Your soy sauce, and then the zest and juice of 1 lemon. So we're just gonna zest this up. And then make sure you catch those seeds. Nobody wants seeds in their salad. Now we're just gonna whisk this together until it's well combined. And that is your dressing. And you can season with salt and pepper if you want, but the soy sauce is pretty salty on its own, so you may want to just check for seasoning. You might not need it. We don't usually add it, but you can if you like. And then for the crab sticks, the imitation crab meat, so to make them shredded like this, it's really simple. So they're gonna look like this when you take them out of the package. If you just squeeze the top, you'll see like it's starting to come apart, and then you're just gonna shred it. This is a really great job for kids. It's the job that nobody wants. It does take forever, but it's so worth it. And so then you're just gonna take your crab and add it to the bowl. And then your thinly sliced cucumber. If you have a large cucumber, you might wanna scoop out the seeds before you slice it up. And the carrots, and I just bought the matchstick cut carrots. It just saves a ton of time. And then our mango. So just give this a quick little fold. Try not to break up your mango too much if it's really ripe. If you're feeling like you can't stir this up really well, then sometimes tongs help. Just kind of toss it around. I'm gonna pour the dressing over top. And it's not an overly dressed salad. It's more just like to flavor it and pull all of the textures together. All right, and that's it. Now I'm just gonna plate it and sprinkle some sesame seeds on it and then serve it. And that's it. Now you can serve it or you can chill it for up to 24 hours. If you chill it overnight, it's definitely gonna have a ton more flavor, but you can definitely serve it right away if you like. So I'm gonna take a quick taste, make sure everything tastes perfect. That is so good. The dressing is light and fresh with just a little hint of heat from that Sriracha. It is so good. This is like the perfect summer salad or appetizer. Amazing and simple. If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.